Hey guys, Darth Vader Halloween here with another unboxing video. This is the third unboxing video in a row now. This is yet another Grave Raver, actually a Groovin Ghoul. This is the 2007 Groove skeleton. These guys are actually kind of hard to find on eBay, especially for a decent price. I was lucky to find mine for 36, which usually stuff like this goes for like hundreds of dollars on eBay for some reason because, you know, scalpers. But yeah, I've wanted to find one of these for quite a while. I've always liked the song that it plays. I don't know, there's just something about it. Alrighty. Here he is, guys. I've got 2 batteries. Let me go find some more. Okay, I have just installed batteries. Again, this, along with the Livin' La Vida Loca skeleton, got him in the mail. He is not fully working. His upper body mechanism has a completely split 9-tooth gear. I'll have to replace that later on, but here he is. I'm really happy to finally have one of these guys, along with the Livin' La Vida Loca skeleton, and the other new one, the Somebody's Watching Me Ghost. Really happy to have all of them. So yeah, hope you guys enjoyed this video. Like and subscribe. Haven't said that a while in my videos. But yeah, hope you guys enjoyed. I will see you again when this guy is fully repaired. See you later.